for devolution in all counties, across all counties, are interrelated with what the government does. So it is his duty to make sure all counties are running in a way that devolution demands. So basically, I want to say this, Chacha, and I want to be on record saying this. The 13th Parliament will go down in history as one of the parliament that has been hijacked or captured by the executive. You've seen the way the voting has been done, the whole issue of impeachment, the way it has been driven. The issues were taken to public participation even before hearing the defense of the Deputy President Rigathi Gachagua. Even the members of parliament did not interrogate the issues that Rigathi is accused of. They just went ahead and voted and appended their signatures on a motion that they did not interrogated the issues. And when he was called upon to defend himself in parliament, those persons who purport to have been supporting the motion were not even listening to his defense. They had their mind very made up, and we've seen so much mobilization. A lot of money has been poured to make sure that the MPs vote in a certain way, and how to go down in history as one of the members who have stood for the truth.
Because you have an idea how much has been cashed out, especially to a particular member of parliament?
Yeah. Money has been poured in this parliament. It is in parliament's domain. Every member of parliament knows this. Money flows according to how much you are worth. If you are a first timer, if you are a second timer, there are different denominations that money has been offered. This is a route in parliament.
Perhaps how much, if you could help, just
100,000 to 500,000. These are things that are happening in this parliament, and that's why I'm telling you something that's going to go down in history as one of the most embarrassing things as members of parliament, that you can be pushing agendas which do not benefit the people of Kenya. How does impeaching Rigathi going to improve the economy of this country? There are very pertinent issues that the Kenyans have raised in this country, and we are being overshadowed by issues of impeachment that are being brought up to act like smokescreen, because so much is going on that the people of Kenya do not approve of. So basically this is a sham. This is something that has been done maybe to distract Kenyans from very pertinent issues that are going on in this country, and I wholly do not support this process. We are not going to take this lying down. I know the Deputy President is going to fight and fight till the end, and we just have hope in our courts, because it's only the courts can redeem the image of this country as far as how the political process is being undertaken in this country. Thank you so much.
President William Ruto's voice has, of course, he has been silent on this particular matter. Do you feel he could be behind the house of Gachagua?
I think his silence speaks a lot. His silence speaks a lot, given that this is a person who he nominated to be the Deputy President of the Republic of Kenya, to be his running mate. And I feel, in as much as people say that Gachagua has been a failure, even his leadership should be put into question, because he's the one who selected this particular person to be the running mate. Given that they were with him during the campaign period, he should have assessed and decided this person was not fit to hold the office of the Deputy President. Let it not be lost on Kenyans that when the Mount Kenya MPs went to vote for their favorite person to be a running mate, they voted for Kindiki. But the president did not take Kindiki to be his running mate, because he knew Kindiki would not deliver the votes that Rigathi delivered. So it's only not fair for him 2 years down the line after he got the presidency to go back on his promise and purport to impeach Rigathi. Thank you so much.